Welcome back to National Defense Channel. The MQ-1B Predator is an armed, multi-mission, medium-altitude, long-endurance remotely piloted aircraft that is employed primarily as an intelligence collection asset and secondarily against dynamic execution targets. The Biden administration plans to send Ukraine 4 MQ-1B Predator drones that can be armed with Hellfire missiles for battlefield use against Russia. Ukraine has been using several types of smaller, shorter-range unmanned aerial systems against Russian forces that invaded the country in late February. But the MQ-1B Predator represents a leap in technology because it can fly up to 30 or more hours depending on its mission and can gather huge amounts of data for intelligence purposes. Predators can also perform the following missions and tasks: intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, close air support, combat search and rescue, precision strike, buddy lace, convoy/raid overwatch, route clearance, target development, and terminal air guidance. The Predator carries the multispectral targeting system, which integrates an infrared sensor, color/monochrome daylight TV camera, image-intensified TV camera, laser designator, and laser illuminator. The aircraft can employ 2 laser-guided missiles, air-to-ground Missile-114 Hellfire, that possess highly accurate, low collateral damage and anti-armor, anti-personnel engagement capabilities.